Assalamualaikum Standard 6. How are you all? I hope you all are good. I'm your science teacher, Miss Ushna. Let's start our online class. Do you know students? हमारा फाइनल का ऑलमोस्ट वर्क कंप्लीट हो गया है. इस वीडियो में हम अपना रिमेनिंग वर्क कंप्लीट करेंगे. हमारा रिमेनिंग वर्क क्या क्या रह गया है? हमारा रिमेनिंग वर्क शॉर्ट नोट, वर्ड्स मीनिंग, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, ट्रू एंड फॉल्स एंड चूज द बेस्ट आंसर से गए. ये सब आपने अपने लास्ट यूनिट के आगे से लिखना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट और शॉर्ट नोट. और शॉर्ट नोट नेम इज एयर. एयर मीन्स हवा. लेट्स सी. The atmosphere of Earth is the layer of gases commonly known as air. Air is a mixture of different gases which are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon and other noble gases. Air is the most important substance. Without air, life is not possible. All the living things need oxygen for breathing. We can't survive without air for more than a few seconds. Plants get carbon dioxide from the air. For all burning process, we need oxygen present in the air. Nitrogen and oxygen are the major gases. Nitrogen is about 78% and oxygen is about 21% in the air. Argon is less than 1%. Carbon dioxide is about 0.03%. There are water vapors and noble gases present in the air. Let's come forward to our words meaning. Matter. Matter means mada. Different. Different means mukhtalif. Surrounded. Surrounded means charo taraf. Liquid. Liquid means maya. Attraction. Attraction means kashish. Vibrate. Vibrate means irtaash. Together. Together means baham. Particles. Particles means zarrat. Mixture. Mixture means ameza. Dissolve means hal karna. Sample. Sample means namune. Air pollution. Air pollution means fizai aludgi. Sand. Sand means reet. Crops. Crops means faslein. Universe. Universe means kainat. Countless. Countless means unginat. Jupiter. Jupiter means mashtari. Period. Period means muddat. Revolves. Revolves means gardish. Lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse means chand grain. The words meaning is completed. Let's come forward to our fill in the blanks and true and false. Fill in the blanks. Dash is called the universal solvent. The answer is water. Air is a dash of different gases. The answer is mixture. Solution is a dash mixture. The answer is homogeneous. There are dash types of mixture. The answer is 2. We need dash for breathing. The answer is oxygen. Plants prepare their food through a process called dash. The answer is photosynthesis. The thick layer of air is called dash. The answer is atmosphere. Dash is a group of stars. The answer is galaxy. Dash have their own light. The answer is sun. Our earth has dash moons. The answer is 1. Let's come forward to true and false. The first is atoms and molecules cannot be seen with naked eyes. It's true. Gases have definite shape. It's false. The states of matter cannot be changed. The answer is wrong. In suspension, particles of components mix completely. It's false. Suspension is a heterogeneous mixture. It's true. Seawater is an example of homogeneous mixture. It's true. Plants need water and oxygen to prepare their food. It's true. Air does not have weight. It's false. Increase in temperature may cause global warming. It's true. Air pollution may cause many diseases. It's true. Let's come to next. Choose the best answer. Dash cannot be compressed. A is solid, B is liquid, C is gas. The answer is A, solid. Gaze have definite dash. A is shape, B is volume, C is neither definite shape nor definite volume. The answer is B, volume. There are dash states of matter. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3. The answer is C, 3. Boiling point of water is dash. A is 100 degree, B is 150 degree, C is 200 degree. The answer is A, 100 degree. Ink dissolves in water and form dash. A is mixture, B is solution, C is suspension. The answer is B, solution. The substance which is less in quantity in a solution is called dash. A is solute, B is solvent, C is both A and B. The answer is A, solute. The percentage of nitrogen in air is dash. A is 80%, B is 78%, C is 75%. The answer is B, 78%. The percentage of oxygen in air is dash. A is 20%, B is 21%, C is 25%. The answer is B, 21%. There are dash planets of the solar system. A is 8, B is 9, C is 10. The answer is B, 9. Moon is a dash. A is star, B is natural satellite, C is planet. The answer is B, natural satellite. Okay students, our final term has been completed. So kindly students, all work write down in your fair copy. Okay, take care yourself, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.